In this lesson, we are going to determine the roots of a quadratic equation by factorization. Let's take a look at this equation: x squared plus 3x equals 0. To factorize this equation, we first look for factors that are common to all terms. Both x squared and 3x contain a common factor x. Therefore, we can factor out the common factor x, and we will get x times x plus 3 equals to 0. Since the multiplication of these two terms is 0, one of the terms must be 0. Therefore, the roots of this quadratic equation are 0 and -3. Let's say you are given two expressions, x plus 1 times x plus 3. This can be expanded to x times x plus x times 3 plus 1 times x plus 1 times 3. Note that x squared results from multiplying the first terms of each expression. The middle term of 4x results from adding the product of the outside terms to the product of the inside terms. Finally, the last term of 3 results from multiplying the last terms of each expression. Now, suppose we want to factor x squared plus 4x plus 3. We can apply this process in reverse. The factors of x squared are x and x. So, we do the following. We consider the factors of 3. The integer factors are 1 and 3. So, we write them in the blanks. For the factorization to be valid, we must add up the product of the outside terms and the product of the inside terms. The outside terms give 3x and the inside terms give 1x. Their sum is 3x plus 1x equals 4x, which is the correct middle term. Therefore, the equation x squared plus 4x plus 3 can be factorized as x plus 1 times x plus 3. Now we are going to determine the roots of the quadratic equation ax squared bx plus c equals 0. A equals 1 using the factorization. Determine the roots of this quadratic equation x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0 by factorization. The factors x squared are x and x. There are several factors for 6, such as 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. If we try 1 and 6, the middle term becomes 7x, not 5x. Therefore, we cannot use 1 and 6 to find the roots of this equation. Let's try 2 and 3. Using 2 and 3, the outside terms give 3x and the inside terms give 2x. Their sum is 5x, which is the correct middle term. Therefore, the equation x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0 can be written as x plus 2 times x plus 3 equals 0. To determine the roots of this equation, we have to solve x plus 2 equals 0 or x plus 3 equals 0. Therefore, the roots of this equation are -2 and -3.